All-in-one displays are an excellent choice for modern digital signage applications, but some critical use cases present more challenges than others. For example, wall-mounted displays in a hallway have low profile requirements. Self-service kiosks or wayfinding solutions may not have access to power sources, and displays in retail demand quick repairs since downtime has business repercussions, and the list continues. But that's part of the past. Meet the Bluefin all-in-one display powered by Seneca, the smartest all-in-one digital signage solution. Why choose the Bluefin powered by Seneca? Obtain unparalleled performance thanks to the powerful and reliable Intel Celeron N4500 processor paired with Windows 10 IoT. Quickly provide service in the field. Open the back panel to service the display right on the premises. Say goodbye to expensive and time-consuming power drops thanks to the PoE feature available for most sizes. Become ADA compliant. Our display's low profile won't exceed the 4-inch off-the-wall limit established by the ADA. Reduce headaches on your next install and expand your ability to service new markets. Install Bluefin all-in-one displays powered by Seneca.